Bro, check this out. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ right in front of me. Nissan GTR, which was previously owned by the one and only Sachin Tendulkar. This car right over here was previously owned by Anil Ambani himself. This car is almost 60 to 70% full carbon. The craziest car at the event at 8112 Competizione. Or if you want to see something that is closest to the UFO, you can check this car out, which is right in front of. Boys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to the part 2 of the Raymond Auto Fest. And पहले part में देखा हमने some vintage Mercedes, some JDM, some planes, and some of the coolest cars that you could see here at the event. This part 2 is about the supercars that are present over here. Literally, there are some Ferraris which are one of 4 in India, one of 2 in India. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and Instagram पे follow कर लो. ID आपको screen पे flash हो रहा है and all the links are in the description. So make sure you follow and let's start the part 2. Guys, मेरे videos पे ना जितने views expected है उतने आ नहीं रहे. So I want you guys to comment below कि क्या कमियां है चैनल में and आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या दिखाना चाहिए या क्या एलिमेंट्स ऐड करने चाहिए इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर जिसकी वजह से व्यूज़ आए. बिकॉज टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक यार, आई barely make any money out of this YouTube channel. If I show you the stats, you would be like amazed कि भाई YouTube pays so less in India. In fact, where I get around an X amount for per 1000 views on my YouTube video, US में वही चीज़ it is 10x. Alright guys, start करते हैं with the cars. Here we have got the Rolls-Royce Series 2 Ghost all the way from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This Lamborghini Huracan from Rakesh Anna's garage all the way from Hyderabad. आप देख सकते हो. एंड यहाँ पर है साबू निशन सर की Lamborghini Huracan जो कि हमने विप मंद्रा की इवेंट पे देखी. There is the another one जो भी विप मंद्रा पे थी. And this is I guess Mumbai's latest delivered Lamborghini Huracan. And bro, check this out. Lamborghini Aventador SVJ right in front of me. Boys, I couldn't get any happier because I'm a Lambo guy. Guys, गाड़ी check करो यार, क्या ही लग रही है. And this Benz over here. Well, there's something very interesting in this car that I want to show you. आप देख सकते हो, if you can, गणेश जी का आइडल है inside this car. जय गणेशाय नमः. And जो ये cuts देख रहे हो ना आप, this is the thing which gets me in Lambo. The cuts, the aerodynamics on this car. आप देख सकते हो wheels, पीछे आप चेकआउट कर लो. Damn boy, this is insane यार. You can check out, it's the whole carbon fiber wing. यहाँ पर भी carbon fiber के trims है. Inside you have got the mighty V12. You can check this out. Even you have got the carbon fiber diffuser. भाई मैं क्या ही बताऊँ और क्या ही बोलूँ इस गाड़ी के बारे में. So Charan Gowda sir, if you are watching this vlog, do call me anytime and I'll be there in Bangalore all the way from Pune just to film your beauty. Guys, बढ़ते आगे, we have got the Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS all the way from Pune. Shout out to my bro Pratik for bringing this car out here in the event. And यहाँ पर है एक और Mercedes-Benz की AMG GTS with the carbon fiber hood. And you know this car because we covered this car at the Vip Mantra event which happened in Hyderabad. एक और Mercedes, but this time an AMG GTR. You can see the crazy wrap done on this, owned by Manish Gilda. Bro, क्या ही रैप है, like एक शेर की तरह. This is a beast. It has got a V8 inside the hood and the AMG. You have even got a carbon fiber spoiler. This is a GTR powered by Runtech. And as we speak, the real GTR is here all the way from Bangalore. The GTR R35. As you can see, it even matches the plates. And bhai, this is a Batmobile. Literally, I know a Batmobile would be something exaggerating, but you check this out यार. आप सिर्फ एक कार देखो, इसके लुक्स देखो. Tell me a better word than Batmobile if you have any, and comment करो यार, देखते हैं what else you can suggest me. You can see hood is of carbon fiber. You have even got the carbon fiber front skirts, and इसके जो rims है बहुत ही ज़्यादा crazy and something अलग लगाया है. It even has got a huge APR performance carbon fiber wing at the back, bro. And I know एक AMG GTR दिख रही है. This was a Nissan GTR, but the car which I'm about to show you will blow your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. This is the Nissan GTR R35, which was previously owned by the one and only Sachin Tendulkar. Yes guys, you heard it right. ये गाड़ी पहले सचिन तेंदुलकर सर की थी, and the Master Blaster, you know, if he owned it, you know it must be special because it has got carbon fiber. And I guess this is the Egoist edition. It is now currently owned by Joey Postel. You can see it has got those BBS rims, bro. This is a proper spec, and as I said, आप देख सकते हो, it's a GTR Egoist edition, which on the badge you can read carbon fiber diffuser. Even on the wing, as you can see, this is a pure clean spec. If two R35 GTRs weren't enough, we have got another one, and here we have Thrive to Drive's Nissan R35 GTR all the way from Chandigarh, and you can see all the three GTRs lined up. Bro, this has got not only a regular carbon fiber, but instead this is red carbon fiber. And you know the level of insanity to get this made in carbon fiber. Even this has got a carbon fiber wing from the Aero Motion. This is how it's looking from the back. Damn, this is wild. While the real wild child is right in front of me. Ladies and gentlemen, check this out. We have got India's fastest car, the Nissan R35 GTR, aka the wild child from Imran Majid sir's collection. This is the next level of insanity, and when the car is so fast, you actually need an extra brake, which is a parachute, to stop this car. You have got a custom made wing which gives more downforce to the car when you're racing it, and आप देख सकते हो, it is completely made out of carbon fiber. Bro, let me show you how this car looks from the front. My oh my, this car is insane. भाई पूरा carbon fiber लगाया, पूरा, literally, I'm not kidding. This car is almost 60 to 70% full carbon. I mean, just except these parts over here which are painted in midnight purple. आप इसका पेंट देख सकते हो कितना क्रेजी लग रहा है. जो तीन शेड्स है, those are particularly seen in this car, and except this panel and the panel on the other side, everything is made out of carbon fiber. भाई अभी मैं literally थक गया हूँ इतने cars देखकर, and this is by far one of the craziest shows that I've ever attended. Maserati, which is actually MH14 registered, so you know, MH14 PCMC. And while this car belongs to the same owner as that of the Sachin Tendulkar GTR, which is Mr. Joey Postel's, and if you can see this carbon fiber even on the inside of the car, there's the Maserati logo. And आपको पता है, मैंने previous वाले vlogs में, मतलब काफ़ी सारे जो आप मेरे पुराने vlogs देखोगे, so we have gone in many rides inside the Maserati GTS, one of the best sounding V8s you can get, because this has got a Ferrari engine, while we just missed India's only one of one in India, Aston Martin. And अगर आप पूछोगे क्यों, so let me show you. This is India's only Aston Martin Vantage S. As you can read the badging, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber even in the tail lights of the car. And you have got some special forged rims on the car. Here's some carbon fiber bits on it. And yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you have seen a UFO in real life or not, but if you want to see one, or if you want to see something that is closest to the UFO, you can check this car out, which is right in front of me. Check this out, boys. This is the McLaren 720S. The only word for this car is nothing but an UFO. You know, guys, we saw the Lamborghinis, even the McLaren, but now it's time. So let's begin the Ferrari lineup over here, which we have. So starting with this, we have got the Ferrari F8 Tributo, and the showstopper, the craziest car at the event. I mean, the craziest supercar, or the level of madness on a supercar that you can see is on this 8112 Competizione. Guys, ये car पूरे इंडिया में, there are only 4 of them. The hardcore video of this car you can only find here on SM Vlog, so make sure you subscribe. Bhai, this is the next level 8112. Guys, let me be very honest, मुझे Ferrari ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, The only Ferrari I like is a 8112. When you put a Novitec exhaust on it, it creates a best V12 sound that I've heard after the Lamborghini Aventador with a Gintani exhaust. Almost Adha Mumbai shocked to see this car here in Mumbai, because this is a rare car that barely comes out on the streets. And by you can check, even the wheels are of carbon fiber, so that's the level of insanity. You've even got carbon fiber on the side skirts are made of carbon fiber, even the diffuser. इसके जो एयर वेंट्स है ना भाई, वो चेक करो. सबसे खास बात मुझे ये लगी इस गाड़ी के बारे में, that it has got an Indian flag on it. The reverse का parking camera, of course when ये सब जो है it's covered, it's not glass, when you can't see you need a camera. You have even got some carbon fiber bits over here. This is epic. And अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊँ, so अंदर उसकी चाबी है, and you've even got the Indian flag. So guys, after the 8112, here we have one of 3 in India, the 458 Speciale है. एंड मैं आपको इसके बारे में कुछ खास चीज़ दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि इसका इंटीरियर वर्क हैज़ बीन रीडन एंड इट हैज़ गॉट द येलो अलकंट्रा इंटीरियर. भाई द स्टीयरिंग व्हील, इट इज़ लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल, क्या बताओ यार. हियर यू कैन सी द हार्ट ऑफ द कार, द इंजन, Ferrari's V8, one of the best sounding and best performance V8 ever made. So let's move on to the 488 Pista. And again guys, let me tell you, this is one of 2 in India from the Smoke Lab. So guys, this is the 488 Pista Spider. You can see if it has got almost all the carbon fiber options ticked, the duct over there, and इसका interior guys, इसका interior भाई क्या ही special है. Like मुझे इतना वो appealing लग रहा है ना. Trust me guys, the red interiors are one of the best ones. You can see the carbon fiber option ticked over here, and यहाँ पर भी है. Even on the tail lights portion, you've got the carbon fiber diffuser. Even here near the Ferrari logo, check out the diffusers yaar. Like almost every car over here has got carbon fiber diffuser and loads of carbon fiber bits all over the car. So this is just another level of insanity. There is the chopper flying high. That's crazy yaar. यहाँ पर है a regular, I mean not a Spider, but the regular version of the 488 Pista. You can see owned by Viral VJ. This is looking hot. Let me know, what do you guys think? If given a choice, you would choose this or that? Well, we have got here another Ferrari F8. Here we have got a Ferrari 488 GTB. The chopper is revolving round and round, I guess. So yeah, यहाँ पर है one of the very few Ferraris which I like, and which is a fan-moving Ferrari right over here, which is the Ferrari F430. आप देख सकते हो, it is so clean, and I guess this is a Scuderia. Oh my god. Guys, this is not a normal F430, it's a F430 Scuderia, as you guys can read. And even this belongs to Joey Postel, the JDM King of India. He owns many one-of-one cars. आप इसका engine bay check करो तो भाई, even the engine bay is full of carbon fiber. It's got some bucket seats, I guess. Novitec Rosso is the shade of the car. By the way, एक और interesting fact, this car right over here was previously owned by Anil Ambani himself. When he was on the verge of becoming bankrupt, that's when he sold the car, and that's how we have got this car over here. यहाँ पर है Mr. Abhishek Tapadia की Ferrari California. This has been wrapped in white and black. आप देख सकते हो. The interior has been redone. It's a crazy interior. Again, red interior, one of my favorites. One more thing is just not a normal California. ये एक California T है. So you know it's got that special T in it with the gold-plated exhaust tips. You can see, bhai. That was it about the Ferraris. So let's move on to that side and check out the Porsches.